You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word. The spelling makes it confusing. So how do you pronounce it? It's pretty straightforward once you know. If you want to learn more pronunciation in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as pleasant, alright? So, looks like it should be pronounced pleasant, or maybe pleasant. No, ple, it's an eh sound, alright? Eh, pleasant. Now, it's a Z sound as well, not an S. Pleasant, and then a schwa, an sound. How to pronounce, so stress on the first syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar as pleasant. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.